Food is a must. Food is a must there at top where we sell about food. We out here, fisherman lifestyle. Wicked and wild. Fisherman lifestyle. See the sun set. Boat I go see. All activity I go on.
One thing you want, I don't know you want.
All activity I go on. Fisherman lifestyle. Fisherman lifestyle. We out here. We have it hard. Fisher creep out. All activity. Christmas a come. We out here. You don't know you go already, you know, man. Ball game, we always out, you know, man. On a joking ball game, you know, man. Rocky Point. People are boat to come for Christmas fish. Whole per boat come for a sea. Any type of fish you want, the stock. The stock. Yes, all the activity go and see there along to your little baby. Along to your little baby there on the seaside. All activity are going. We out here. We out here. Rocky Point seaside. Anything you want, you just stock where you want, you get where you want. So we do it. On a beautiful beach. On a joking ball game. You see what I want? Joking. Come in, boy. On a joking ball game I go on. Sun a set. You see it? Don't to all the dog want food. Everything we out here, Lord. Lord. Everything there, man. Everything there, man. I'm not joking ball game, man. Everything there, man. I'm not joke, we are joke, man. Rocky Point seaside, we out here, man. Anything you want, man. A Christmas are coming, man. You don't want no fish. You don't want no fish. Look there. You know how much I kick a fisherman I keep on the head right now. Look for fisherman, fisherman. Whole for fisher man I keep on the head. See there. Create them a creep out.